Question 6a. The stop sign is a regular octagon. It has side lengths of 12 inches, and we are tasked with finding the area for this one. So if it's a regular octagon, then what we know is that all of the angles and all of the side lengths are the same. So all of these side lengths in here, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Now, I'm going to take this octagon and I'm just going to kind of make a square out of it, because I know how to find the area of a square. That is no big deal. I don't like that side. Okay, yeah, that one's better. And last one. Oh, that one's not good either. I'll get it. Promise. One of these days, we're going to pretend like that's good. Now, if this is a square, right, I know that each one of these is a 90-degree angle. Now, here's one of the theorems that we haven't really talked about this year, but the exterior angles of any polygon, so these angles right here, all have to add up to 360. So we have 8 of these angles out here. So we're going to take 360 and we're going to divide that by 8. And when we do that, you can see that we get 45. So each one of those angles inside of that stop sign, or in these little triangles here, are 45 degrees, which makes each one of these triangles a 45, 45, 90 triangle. So this is the hypotenuse of that triangle, which means that this up here is 12 divided by the square root of 2. And that's all the way around. And this is also 12 divided by the square root of 2. Same thing over here. But this, between these two triangles, this is 12. So what I want to do is I just want to figure out the area of this whole square that we have here. And then once I do that, I'm just going to find the area of one triangle, and then I'm going to subtract 4 of them out. So for the triangle, we're going to take base times height divided by 2. So we're going to do 12 over the square root of 2 times, ooh, that was not a very good one, base times height divided by 2. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply those two together. So that's 144 over 2, which is totally blanking. 72. Here we go. But then I have to divide that by 2 as well, because this is just base times height. To find the area of the triangle, we have to divide by 2, so that is 36. So each one of these little triangles has an area of 36. Okay, now what I want to do is I want to find the area of this whole big square. So a square is just base times height. So to do that, we have 12 plus 12 over the square root of 2 plus 12 over the square root of 2. So we have 12 plus 12 over the square root of 2, and we have that one twice. And so these two together are going to give us 24 over the square root of 2. That sure is an ugly number. That is not fun at all. So in order to make this a little bit easier, we're just going to use our calculator for this one. And we're just going to do, slide this over so we can see it. Okay, 12 plus 24 over the square root of 2, but we need to square that. Because remember, we're taking, this is one side length, and in order to find the area of that square, we have to square it. So we're going to take that squared, and then we want to subtract out those 4 36s. So minus 4 times 36. And this should be our answer right here, 695.3.